brand new video. Today I have, you cannot see it, but right now it looks like a unicorn puked on our coffee table. Hold on. I made this contraption, and it's an old shoebox and the bottom of a water bottle. Whoa, let's drop that. And it's just hot glued on. So it's a little thingy for you to sort your colored pencils. I have all my colored pencils right on our dining table, which is where I'm videoing right now. What you will need is a shoebox, some water bottles, some scissors, some hot glue or super glue. If you use either, you would probably need some parental supervision, and something. You can put any art supply in here. You can put markers, you can put regular pencils, you can put erasers, you can do whatever you want. And it doesn't really matter the size of the shoebox. I just got, I don't know, a regular size shoebox. I have some tape and some black pieces of paper and silver markers to decorate the outside. And I already have these made. So, those are the ones I sort in. I already have those made for my colored pencils, but there are two spaces in the middle where two of them could fit just perfectly. So I'm gonna put these two water bottles there, and I'm gonna glue the two water bottles in those spots, and just put some pencils or other stuff in there, because I don't really have any other colors of colored pencils. You could put other stuff in there, like I already said. And what I did was I just cut, by the way, using scissors, also might want to get some parental supervision, but make sure you're not cutting near your finger. And then it kind of just has this cut right here. You can stick your finger in, and you can just stick one side of this in here and just cut along you can just cut along the bottom of the label. There be some little pieces, and watch out, the ends you might get like a little plastic cut. Wouldn't call it a paper cut. You might get a little plastic cut or something, but I feel like it wouldn't be that sharp. But you can save the lid maybe if you have another DIY, but I don't know what to do with the lids. You could make little hats. But you want this, and real quick, I'm going to be right back, and I'm going to do this one. Yay! It saved you like 10 seconds for me pausing the video. Haha. Now I have a bigger hat. Okay. Will you calm down? So I have these two thingies, and I have a hot glue gun. When you're heating up the hot glue gun, you want to heat it up on a surface, you want to put some cardboard down and then some paper towel on top of that. You don't want to put it on top of any plastic because it can melt plastic. You don't want to ruin your furniture or anything. So make sure you have something underneath it so you don't ruin it. And be sure to stay super safe and never touch this end of it. Never touch the end. And you're gonna want to see this part on the bottom. That's where you're gonna want to put your super glue. That's where you're gonna want to put your super glue, because you don't want to put it in the middle of the bottom of the bottle, because then it's just not gonna stick, because it's not gonna actually even touch the bottom of the box. I didn't dry these out. Yay! But trying to be careful with this. You can get all kinds of stuff to decorate it. You can decorate it however you like, because that's our next step. If it doesn't stick, you can just put some more. And actually, this box is like perfect. It's like when they were making it, they used water bottles to size it, because 3, 6, 9, 12. We need 12 water bottles to fill it perfectly. And the reason I said cut like right below the wrapper is because that's like a perfect length. It's like a little tiny bit above the box. Okay, they're secured. What will I be now? Ah yes, I'm decorating the outside with some black paper. And I will have to size the black paper. So I'm going to use a white colored pencil and black paper. Okay. 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 Well, spooky season is among us. Among us. It's October. Yay! Fun fact, because facts are fun. Did you know hot glue was actually not glue? Wow, it's plastic. And then it heats up the plastic, and the plastic melts. And then the plastic dries again. Super interesting. Yay! So I'm just taping this down with some tape. Whoa. I'm gonna shape the whole entire world. This looks really bad. When I try to wrap stuff all fancy, like how my mom can do it, ends up even worse than this. Like, look at that. You can see the tape. Wow. Now you're going to want to do that with the rest of the sides. How I did it, how I measured it, was I just put my paper down on a flat surface, and I just laid it on that side, and I marked with a colored pencil where I was going to have to cut the lines. Okay. I'm using silver markers so they show up better on the black paper. You can use, hey, you can even use your colored pencils. Wow, I have like all my colored pencils. Next side. Let's go. Okay, I'm back. And I finished. It doesn't look too good. It's not the sharpest tool in the shed, clearly. Color pencil. Color pencil. You never saw it, honey. You probably can't see the dot. Yay! I'm just doing dots. I'm doing dots, and then, oh, can you see the dots? Oh yeah, you can. Because dots. Dots. Now hearts. Hearts. Oh my god, that's hungry. One in the corner. And now stars. Stars. I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna decorate it, and then I'm gonna show it to you. Hey guys. So I just paused the video and finished coloring. This is balloons floating in the sky. These are flowers. This says colored pencils. This is yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and it's here. And white has 3 pencils. And then you have, and then I have the 2 spots in the middle. I don't want to like tip it over and show you, but you guys know it's there. You can put anything in here. You can put scissors. You can put markers. You can put tape. You can put anything you want in there. Also, I took off all the tape that was on the edges. I just hot glued it down. I hot glued the corners so they wouldn't get all bent. And I really hope this helps you like it. Helped me. It's actually very good for organizing stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Be sure to like and subscribe.